ko siya dahil naka-experience na ba kayo na ma-involve sa isang fuckboy?
Oo naman.
Gusto ko yung sagot na. You got it.
Yes.
I feel you. Oo. Tapos kapag nire-reject ko yung mga fuckboy, ang sinasabi sa akin, bakit kasi ang taas ng standards ko? Wow, standards! Sinulat ko siya dahil gusto ko ipaalala sa sarili ko na okay lang magkaroon ng mataas na standards, di ba? Okay, let's go. Stop blaming yourself for all the things you aren't, things you can't be, things you don't want to be. You are more than enough. You are limitless. Like the vastness of the universe, because the sky as we see it has to end somehow. Stop apologizing for who you are. Never tone down your intensity just to validate someone else's existence. You are the sun. Shine brightly and let everyone soak in your sun rays. Never say sorry for being warm. But don't settle for being just another body in someone's bed to keep them warm. They're cold inside. Their ice is embedded in their guts. It takes more than an embrace to melt the walls they've built. Stop settling for what they can only give for now. Stop accepting "I don't do labels" as a logical explanation for crying yourself to sleep some nights. Stop settling for "I'm not ready to commit to you yet," because that's bullshit. Everyone's ready to commit to the right person. It just so happens that it isn't you. Learn to accept. Learn to let go. Learn to acknowledge the things that aren't making you happy. Leave them behind. And don't look back. You will learn that it's impossible to find happiness in the same place that you've lost it. So spread a map out and find where your next destination is. Even if that place is not somewhere that a map shows, like someone else's arms. Your soul is a wanderer looking for a home. Do not deprive itself of that kind of stability. Do not insult yourself, Luis, by investing furniture in a transient house just to make it more homey. Realize that you're not a bad person just because you want someone to hold you for the sake of holding you. To feel arms wrapped around you without their sleeves, busting at the seams for all the tricks hidden beneath. You're not a bad person just because you want someone to kiss you without a hidden agenda. To feel that a mouth is more than just mapping out the triggers to get you to self-destruct. You're not a bad person for wanting to be loved with the kind of love you want. Do not settle. Do not apologize for believing you deserve more. Do not regret this. I know most bad decisions have names, but so do life lessons. Experience had never been a kind teacher, but in a room full of cowards, those who are brave enough are the only ones willing to risk an answer and risk being proven right. And don't you just want to be proven right? So risk it. Take the leap. Be not afraid of the fall, for you will never appreciate safety if not for the fear. Understand that gravity is not the enemy. We became so afraid of impact, and we forget that it takes feeling to be alive. With that said, do not make humans out of ghosts. You will learn that dead people are not the only ones equipped to haunt us. Allow yourself the love that's meant for the living. Those who yearn for fire, or even for mere embers, are better than those settling for frostbite. And yes, there's always a chance of burning out. But I promise, you'll love how much you show before the ashes even start. And it's okay. It's okay to have a heart that's not equipped to fight. Because that's the thing about warriors. They are destroyed first before they become. So become the version of you that is worthy of the world and all its in-betweens. The version of you that is worth more than a good fuck. The version of you that's more than a body to sink into, to possess. More than just warmth for anyone's block of ice. You are worth it. My God, you are worth it.